You probably scoop them out and throw them away, but pumpkin seeds might be the smallest superfood you're not using enough. They're crunchy, easy to eat, and packed with nutrients your body actually needs, daily. And in this video, I'm giving you 10 powerful health benefits of pumpkin seeds that go beyond basic nutrition. Some of these might honestly surprise you. I started adding pumpkin seeds to my oatmeal and salads just for fun. But what I didn't know was that they were actually helping with my sleep, digestion, and even stress levels. These tiny seeds support your heart, hormones, immunity, even hair growth. And the best part? They're cheap. No fancy supplements, just real food that works. Let's break down the 10 legit benefits of pumpkin seeds and how to use them daily. Number 1. Rich in magnesium, the anti-stress mineral. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium, a mineral most people are deficient in. Magnesium supports over 300 functions in your body, including better sleep, calmer mood, and muscle relaxation. If you're stressed, anxious, or not sleeping well, this one's big. Number 2. High in zinc, for immune and skin health. Zinc helps strengthen your immune system and promotes clear skin. Just a handful of pumpkin seeds gives you up to 20% of your daily zinc needs. Zinc also helps with wound healing and fights off acne-causing bacteria. Number 3. Packed with antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds are rich in vitamin E and carotenoids, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from aging. They support your skin, eyes, and brain over the long run. Number 4. Supports better sleep. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce melatonin and serotonin, your sleep and mood hormones. Try adding a small handful before bed or with a light evening snack. Number 5. Heart-healthy fats. Pumpkin seeds are full of omega-6 fatty acids and plant sterols that help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, they support better blood flow and circulation. Number 6. Improves prostate and bladder health. Especially for men, pumpkin seeds help reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia and support urinary flow. Studies show they can even reduce nighttime bathroom trips. Number 7. Balances blood sugar. High in fiber and protein, pumpkin seeds help regulate blood sugar spikes, especially when eaten with meals. This is key for managing diabetes, PCOS, or insulin resistance. Number 8. Boosts hair growth. Thanks to their zinc, iron, magnesium, and healthy fats, pumpkin seeds can support hair strength, growth, and even reduce hair loss. Bonus: they help your nails grow stronger too. Number 9. Great for digestion. Pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber, which helps support regular bowel movements and feed healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut, better immunity, hormones, and mood. Number 10. Natural plant-based protein. With about 7 grams of protein per 1/4 cup, pumpkin seeds are a great plant-based option for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone trying to eat clean. You can toss them into smoothies, granola, salads, or even baked goods. Do you eat pumpkin seeds? What's your favorite way to use them? Roasted, raw, or in snacks? Tell me in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's serious about clean, simple health. See you in the next video!